Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix and solve Twitter playback error on Android phone. So first of all, what you have to do is just open the settings, then scroll down and tap on this app management, click on app list, and now here search for Twitter and then click on it. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on this display over other apps, click on it and make sure this is disabled. Now go back and now click on this force stop and click on OK, and then click on this mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure to allow all of that background data, unrestricted data usage, and then go for storage and cache and clear the cache, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix, so just open the Play Store application and search for Twitter and make sure you are using the latest version of Twitter. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.